Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off sound effect on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now scroll down until you find Accessibility, Display, and Language option. Tap on it. Among these four options, tap on Display. There you can find Sound Effects, which is on the Sound. Disable Sound Effect option. And this is how you can turn off sound effect on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.